Hello everybody, welcome again. Today we are going to talk about hobbies. Hobbies. What's your favorite hobby? Are you ready? Let's get started. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite hobby is reading. I read many types of storybooks and novels. I read many types of storybooks and novels. I love reading so much. I love reading so much. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Writing is my favorite hobby. Writing is my favorite hobby. Writing is something I like to do every day. Writing is something I like to do every day. I never get bored of writing. I never get bored of writing. William Shakespeare is my favorite writer. William Shakespeare is my favorite writer. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is drawing. My favorite hobby is drawing. I like drawing things in my notebook. I like drawing things in my notebook. I express my emotions through drawing things. I express my emotions through drawing things. Drawing is a great hobby because it makes me creative. Drawing is a great hobby because it makes me creative. Conversation. Conversation. Hello, what's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is playing the piano. My favorite hobby is playing the piano. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you play the piano every day? Do you play the piano every day? Yes, I do. I play the piano for 20 minutes every day. I play the piano for 20 minutes every day. That's great. That's great. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you soon.